over at Speedokote Refinish Network. So we got this really nice ML350 with us today. We got a lot of like little scratches and minor damage on this bumper back here. We're gonna go ahead and hit that with some 500 grit and some water, nothing crazy. And then right back here we have this little dent right here, and some gouges right here. We're actually gonna go ahead and we're gonna try out the new SF5003 today. It's a Speedokote body filler. It's a little bit thicker than their spot putty, so this is going to be better for like bigger dents and stuff like that. We're going to go ahead and try that out today, make all the repairs, and then do a complete repaint on the bumper and a complete repaint on the tailgate. Best way I like to explain how to mix this stuff is for about every golf ball size amount of filler you put on your paper, you're going to want to use about a 1/2 inch of activator in the summertime, and you're going to want to use about 3/4 inch to a full inch of activator in the wintertime. This is a really nice kit, guys. It comes with everything you need. The activator comes with 3 different size spreaders. And it's got really detailed instructions on the back for anybody, who's kind of new to this or doesn't really know how to prep a panel for body filler. Got full instructions on the back and everything. So really nice kit. Check it out. Got the Mercedes all taped up. Bodywork came out super smooth. We used the new Speedokote filler. Guys, I can't tell you how easy this stuff sanded. It out really, really, really smooth. And then all we did was we did three coats of acid etch primer just to help fill in the prep scratches. It would work perfect. So for my rattle can junkies out there, if you want a seriously awesome high grade automotive primer in a can, this is definitely the one for you. Really solid color match out of it. I almost can't even tell where we did the repairs. The gloss came out spot on. We did 2 wet coats of the production Glamour Clear, and you honestly can't even tell a texture or a gloss difference between this and the OEM paint. Came out really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.